making a sweet, sour, and spicy stir fry. And this is inspired from one of Gerald and I's favorite restaurants when we were living in San Diego, Sips Cafe, over on Claremont Mesa Boulevard. And they offer really delicious food for a really low price. And their mock meats are out of this world, really amazing, something to aspire to in cuisine. But for now, we'll be doing a stir fry to start. Keep it simple with some tofu and vegetables, something that comes together nice and easy with a delicious sauce. It can be yours in about 30 minutes. You'll want to first prepare a couple cups of rice or however much you want to eat. You could also use noodles or whatever side you want on the side. I happen to have some pre-made, so I'm just going to heat it up and use that. And the rest of it comes together pretty much in a snap. So you want to take your tofu and marinate it in your sauce. To make the sauce, you want a 1/4 cup of tamari or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. I'm using agave, 2 cloves of garlic that are minced, about a teaspoon of hot sauce. You can use sriracha or your favorite. If that's enough spice, you can stop there. You can also add a pinch of red pepper flakes. Roll a couple of juicy limes and squeeze them in. Then you want 1 tangerine. You could also use 1 tablespoon less sweetener and 3 tablespoons of marmalade. That's another way you can do it. Then I have a little container and I like to just throw everything in and then put it in our compost bucket to go out when I'm done. Thank you to my husband for doing that. Okay, then I have a block of firm tofu. I have silken firm tofu since that's the only kind that I have in my town and I didn't make it firmer than that. But if you have a firmer tofu, by all means, you can use that. And then you'll just want to slice it into cubes. You could also use tempeh or your other favorite vegan substitute. Then just add it to a shallow dish and pour your sauce on top. Then that can marinate for about 20 minutes while if your rice is cooking or your noodles are cooking, while that's going, and you can chop your vegetables and you'll just want to slice it however you want. I'm going to do browns on the carrot and little wedges of the broccoli and little thin strips of the bell pepper, the onion, and then a little green onion to top. And you could also add mushrooms or whatever else you'd like. So I'll slice those up and then we'll move over to the stove.